This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to do Swedes Assemble, only way. Begin by clearing your bench and gathering tools and parts to avoid interruptions. Start with the base alignment and secure fasteners loosely so you can fine-tune fit. Work methodically from left to right, checking clearances and seating at each stage. Use small test fittings and tighten progressively to maintain true geometry and a clean final result. Position the base using 2 reference lines and dry fit the main components without adhesives to confirm alignment. Start with the heaviest piece, then add adjoining parts while checking for gaps and flush seams. Use even pressure and tighten bolts in a crisscross pattern to avoid distortion. Recheck alignments after each major step and make micro adjustments until all parts sit true and functional before final torque and finishing touches. Avoid rushing through stages and rely on quick checks to catch problems early, like uneven gaps or misoriented pieces. Never over-tighten the initial fasteners, since that can warp components and ruin fit. Instead, snug then final torque later. If you spot a misalignment, backtrack and correct it before continuing. Finish work after proper alignment ensures parts function smoothly and gives a clean, durable result you can be proud of.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.